She is 4. Eva loves fairy tales and music, so her parents got her Juki. It is Eva's magical jukebox. She uses the Juki stars to play the music and stories she wants, just like this. Juki is the Wi-Fi speaker and portable music player for kids. The stars are figurines and tokens. Each star plays a song or an album, so Eva can play and listen to music on her own. It sounds great, and the stars make it so easy and fun to use. Juki stores music so that it works everywhere, at home, in the car, or even in the park. And it has Wi-Fi, so Eva can enjoy streaming music. Eva's friends love Juki too. It's always ready to play. And after the party, they can listen to a story to chill out. Juki is portable and has a rechargeable battery, so kids can enjoy music wherever they are. Eva's mom copies music onto Juki's internal storage, from the app or from her laptop, and she links the star to a playlist, just like this. She can also limit the volume, or set the time to go to bed. Sometimes she borrows Juki too, while Eva dreams of the stars. Juki, the jukebox for kids.
Alright, honey, have a good day at work. Sorry I won't be there tonight to celebrate, but I'll call you when I land.
Love you.
Love you too. Bye. Alexa, set a birthday surprise reminder for 6 p.m.
I will remind you at 6 p.m. for birthday surprise.
Alexa, play my cooking playlist.
Okay.
Alexa, set the timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now. This is a reminder. Birthday surprise.
Alexa, dim the lights.
Okay.
Alexa, play Happy Birthday.
Alexa, play Kraftwerk.
What voice brings
It's more than just.
convenience.
It's more than just
An
an
intuitive interface.
It's more than just The first
product from Sonos.
with built-in voice control,
So you can use Amazon Alexa to get to music
playing faster.
In more rooms,
all your rooms.
during more moments.
And without having to
Pull your phone out
without even having a phone.
And use your voice.
or their voice.
Anyone's voice. We created a smart speaker built for music, first and foremost.
Put Sonos One
In any room.
To fill it with music.
Or
pair two of them together.
and a 6-microphone array.
To hear what you say the first time.
Sonos
One,
Gives you
All the music there is.
at your fingertips.
and at the tip of your tongue.
with a single app
That has it all.
in a system that makes
It all work together.
So whether you love
Apple Music,
Spotify,
Amazon Music,
Pandora. Tidal.
iHeartRadio,
Morning News,
Audiobooks.
Tune in,
Podcasts.
your playlist, their playlists.
old vinyl,
New formats.
white noise.
Play them all.
Play it everywhere.
Not with
Good enough sound.
But with great sound.
make you move sound.
Crystal clear.
All around sound.
Introducing the new Sonos One, the smart speaker for music lovers.